Hello, my name is Cobbs, and I'm here to do a review concerning key credit repair. What I like most is that on the website it states that you would get a 90-point increase in 90 days, and that's what I'm really banking for as of right now. I just started, so I haven't seen that increase yet, but I am looking forward to it. The best part of this experience so far has been that I'm able to talk to a real live person instead of talking to an operator. So I'm able to get things done quicker and faster. I haven't had any changes this far yet because, like I said, I just enrolled. Tomorrow makes 30 days, so therefore I haven't seen any results as of yet. But when I do, I'll definitely be sure to update you guys and let you know. Thank you.